Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Jenny again, and today we are reviewing Peloton but outdoor. Now, to be real, to be honest, I was so sick with some flu, just a flu, okay? Nothing more, I promise. But I needed to do a recovery. And what better to do a sick recovery but to work it out. I'm a firm believer in working my body out to get the sweat on, to get it out. So like I rested for 5 days. It was a dreadful week. But afterwards, I took it outdoor and I decided to run using Peloton App, specifically with the outdoor feature. So I wanted to show you what it was like to run outdoor for just 3 days and see if there were any results. If you're curious of my review, then why don't we just jump right in? All right, recovery mode. I'm still coughing, so I halfway that I didn't go full on, but I'm very proud of myself. I'm doing as much as I could today because your girl got out of the house and actually jogged in Arizona sun, and it's actually breezy, like Canadian lovely summer. So this was fun. I think I'm on my way to recovery. All right, so today is a bit earlier than yesterday, and I feel a little better than yesterday because now all this gunk is gone and I feel lighter. However, the problem for me right now is that I'm sore everywhere. I foam rolled before I came out and I did Peloton warm up, stretch, whatever you want to call it. But I do believe that 3 days is solid for me to do a recovery run. I'm not going crazy. I'm doing a joggish run. So I just want to see how quickly I could just kind of jump back up. I'm usually very thorough. I'm very always working out, so I don't feel like I'd have problem today, but we'll see. I might be even more out of breath after this, but I'm excited. Whew. I'm barely standing today, and it's crazy because I did a much harder workout yesterday, and today I'm like doing half the work and I'm yet breathless, dying. Yesterday I did an interval run. Today I did a little more consistent run, and yet it feels harder today. I definitely got distracted in the middle. I did a funk run. I don't know if it's because the music was too slow in pace or I'm not as motivated as yesterday where I'm sore. I don't know, but I still feel better than when I started. I'm gonna go home and stretch. But yeah, I feel better. Well, also because like, not to be gross, but a lot of gunk came out while I was jogging. I didn't run at all today. I just jogged and I feel much better. But yeah, tomorrow's the last day. I'm excited already. I'm ready to start my day today. I think I'm gonna have a wonderful day. Okay, so I'm out for third day. Excited to run. It's a little bit later in the day. It's the afternoon, and today's my third run for Peloton outdoors. And I'm excited. I stretched, I warmed up, so I'm ready to go. Let's get this party started. Okay, I thought I was gonna die today. I thought it would be easier because I'm out of breath because this is my third day, but no, I'm still recovering. But I wanted to make at least 3-day video of consistent running to show you that when you're in a recovery process, you should be kind to yourself mentally and physically. So I did not even do close to what I usually do, but I am very proud of myself, the fact that I gave it all, okay? It's a nice breeze now. It's like the nature complimenting me or something, but I'm very grateful that I could run, that I'm healthy, and this cold shall pass, right? So I encourage everyone to try this when you can, even if you're not sick, but even I'm doing as a recovery, but maybe this is a way to start off something, commitment to yourself 3 days. And I think everyone could do 3 days. So finally done. Oh, and earlier today, I stretched, I warmed up very thoroughly. I made sure to do using the Peloton app at home before I came outside. It is so important that you warm up pre-run and then stretch post-run, or any activities that you do, but especially when you do very cardio intense and very intense physical body workout. So make sure to check that out. As usual, I will give it a rating. Ooh, I actually really loved using Peloton app to run. It kept me motivated. I actually finished the whole track without ending it early, which I was tempted to when I was getting a little overwhelmed, to say the least. But I am so glad I used Peloton app. I don't think I could have just done it with music. And I was tracking myself and I saw how much I ran. I was, well, more jogging than running actually, but I'm so glad I did it with this app. So I give it a 5 out of 5 when it comes to usage. I had no connectivity issues. It was so thorough. It was engaging. It felt like my running coach was next to me and just keep motivating me to go. So I really loved it. I will keep using it for running purposes. Also, if you haven't watched my previous review video on Peloton app, then I'll leave link right down below. So check that out, okay? And if you have any other features that you want me to try on Peloton app, then please comment down below. If you like this video, then thumbs up for me and subscribe to my channel for any other like tech videos. This was Jenny and talk soon. Bye!